Get ripped. The benefits of doing push-ups every day. Push-ups are one of the most common and well-known exercises in the world, and for good reason. They're amazingly effective at strengthening your upper body, whether you're trying to bulk up or slim down. But did you know that doing push-ups every day has benefits that extend beyond your body? Push-ups also provide psychological benefits, including increased self-confidence and improved memory function. If you want to get ripped and stay ripped, adding push-ups to your daily routine can be one of the best things you can do to improve your health and overall fitness levels. Does your body need more exercise? More than 10% of U.S. adults are so sedentary that they can't complete a single push-up, according to data from Physical Activity Council's 2018 participation report. If you think you might be part of that group, it's never too late to start a new exercise routine. Making time for at least 30 minutes per day of physical activity can reduce your risk for many diseases and make daily activities easier to do. That includes doing push-ups. Improves posture. There's a reason why military members are told to do push-ups during basic training. They build muscle, but they also help your body maintain proper posture. If you spend a lot of time hunched over a desk, typing away on your computer, or just generally moving around in life with poor posture, push-ups can improve your alignment. This will not only make you look better, but it can relieve some pressure on your lower back and spine. Boosts metabolism. A study at Auburn University showed that men who did push-ups twice a day burned 13% more calories than those who didn't do any. It's also a good idea to work out other parts of your body. You don't want to focus on one part too much, which can lead to overuse injuries and muscle imbalances. Mixing up your workouts will ensure you burn more calories overall. Aids heart health. When you perform push-ups, your muscles contract and relax rapidly, which improves your heart's pumping ability and boosts blood flow to your heart. Over time, these exercises reduce chest fat in men, which can lead to less plaque buildup in arteries. Strengthens core muscles. Whether you're trying to look better in a bikini or get stronger at your day job, push-ups are great for developing core muscles. Strengthening these muscles improves your balance and posture and helps you stay upright even when you're carrying heavy loads. This is particularly important for women who tend to carry more fat around their middles than men do. Strengthening your stomach also helps keep your digestive system healthy and aids with everyday tasks such as lifting groceries into your car or picking up children. Increases muscle mass. If you're looking to improve your balance and coordination, then it's a good idea to do push-ups every day. By working multiple muscles in your upper body, including your chest, shoulders, and triceps, you can increase both strength and flexibility simultaneously. This will help you gain control over your own body, as well as any external forces that try to change how you move. Eventually, improved balance and coordination can lead to stronger reactions and much more dynamic movement in daily life. Tone muscles, including abs. While push-ups focus on strengthening your upper body, they also tone your core and your abs specifically. When you're doing a push-up and lowering yourself down toward ground level, you're increasing pressure in your abdominal region. This builds and strengthens muscles there, thus giving you that ripped look. Great for athletes. Push-ups are a great full-body exercise that can help you get ripped and improve your overall performance in any athletic activity. They require little equipment or space, making them ideal for those on a tight schedule. They also work many muscles at once, making them an effective way to reduce body fat. But before you start pumping out push-ups, there are some things you should know about how to do them correctly to avoid injury and get results from your efforts. Promotes weight loss. Push-ups are a compound exercise that works out several different muscle groups at once, which makes them very effective in promoting weight loss. Muscle burns more calories than fat, so building up your muscles will also help you burn more calories and lose weight. You'll also boost your metabolism as part of your body attempts to repair all those broken down muscles, but you'll still have to watch what you eat if you want to see true results. Improves balance and coordination. Push-ups are a bodyweight exercise, meaning you use your own body weight to perform them. With push-ups, you can work multiple muscle groups, improve balance and coordination, and burn calories in less time than it takes to run on a treadmill or drive to a local gym. If you want an efficient workout that targets many muscles at once, then push-up variations are for you.